What is home hemodialysis?
In people with kidney failure, the kidneys no longer work well enough to keep them healthy. So haemodialysis is a vital treatment that removes harmful waste products and excess fluids from the blood. So haemodialysis cleans the blood when the kidneys can't. Home hemodialysis is a type of dialysis treatment that is done in a patient's home. Before having hemodialysis at home, people receive special training from the kidney team in the dialysis unit. The kidney team also need to make some adaptations to your home for the dialysis machines to operate. There are lots of benefits to having hemodialysis in your own home compared to having hemodialysis in a dialysis unit.